Imagine you're scrolling through your phone late at night, heart racing, as you stumble across a story of some guy who turned a measly $2,500 into $10 million in just a few years. You lean closer, thinking, how? Was it luck? Did he know something I don't? Now, what if I told you that guy wasn't a Wall Street genius or a tech bro with insider secrets? He was just like you, someone with a dream, a little cash, and a spark of courage. And what if I said you could do it too, not by gambling or chasing hype, but by unlocking one simple truth about cryptocurrencies? Stay with me for the next 12 minutes, because I'm about to hand you the exact roadmap to turn $2,500 into a life-changing fortune. This isn't hype, it's hope. Let's dive in. Hey, my friend, I'm your name, and I've spent years navigating the wild, exhilarating, sometimes terrifying world of crypto. I've seen people lose everything chasing the wrong coins, but I've also seen regular folks, teachers, nurses, delivery drivers, build million-dollar portfolios from scratch. I'm not here to dazzle you with jargon or promise overnight riches. I'm here because I believe you deserve financial freedom. You deserve to wake up without that knot in your stomach, wondering if you'll ever get ahead. Today, I'm sharing a strategy that's transformed lives, but it only works if you grasp one thing. Crypto isn't a lottery, it's a revolution. And you're standing at the starting line of the biggest wealth-building opportunity of our lifetime. Think of crypto like a rocket ship. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and thousands of altcoins are fueling a new financial universe, one where banks, middlemen, and old-school rules don't call the shots. Blockchain is rewriting how we trade, create, even dream. But here's the problem. Most people treat crypto like a Vegas slot machine. They throw money at random coins, pray for a 100x, and end up broke. That's not how millionaires are made. Millionaires don't bet, they build. They study the market, pick the right projects, and play the long game. Your $2,500? It's not just money. It's a ticket to this rocket ship. But you've got to know where to sit and when to buckle up. So, what's the one truth you need to understand? It's not about finding the next Bitcoin or mastering candlestick charts. It's about mindset. Wealth isn't built by chasing quick wins. It's built by believing you're worthy of it and acting like it. Let me tell you about Sarah, a single mom I met at a crypto workshop in 2019. She had $2,000 saved from waitressing, and everyone told her crypto was too risky. But Sarah didn't see herself as just a waitress. She saw herself as a fighter, someone who could learn and grow. She invested in Cardano at 5 cents, held through every dip, and reinvested her gains into Polygon. Today, her portfolio's worth $2.3 million, and she's planning to retire at 40. What set Sarah apart? She trusted the process and stayed patient. As the legendary investor Charlie Munger once said, "The big money is not in the buying and selling, but in the waiting." Crypto rewards those who wait. Now, let's get to the strategy. 3 steps to turn your $2,500 into millions. Step 1. Diversify like a pro. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, no matter how much TikTok hypes a coin. Split your money. 50% into rock-solid cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're your anchor, growing steadily over time. 30% into mid-tier coins like Avalanche or Chainlink. These have big potential with manageable risk. And 20% into small-cap coins under $1, like those powering DeFi or Web3. These are your moonshots, but keep them small to stay safe. Step 2. Dollar cost average. Don't try to guess the market's highs and lows. Invest a set amount every month, say $200, whether prices are up or down. This lets you buy more when prices crash, stacking your portfolio for the long haul. Step 3. Hold and compound. When your coins double or triple, don't cash out to buy a new TV. Reinvest those gains into new projects. Think of your portfolio like a snowball rolling downhill. It starts small, but with time, it becomes an avalanche. Let's paint a picture. Imagine your $2,500 as a tiny boat on a vast ocean. Bitcoin and Ethereum are your sturdy sails, catching the wind of steady growth. Mid-caps are your oars, giving you speed when the waves pick up. Small caps are your fishing nets, risky but capable of hauling in a massive catch. Steer this boat with care, keep rowing through storms, and you'll reach an island of wealth most people only dream of. But here's the deal, you've got to avoid the sharks. FOMO is a killer. When a coin's soaring and everyone's screaming buy now. On X, that's usually the top. Hold your nerve. Never invest money you need for bills or emergencies. And watch out for scams. Those guaranteed 10x DMs or sketchy Telegram groups are traps. Do your homework, read white papers, check Reddit threads, and trust your gut. Here's where we land, my friend. You're at a crossroads. That $2,500 in your bank account? It's not just money, it's potential. It's a chance to break free from the grind, to build a life where you call the shots. But nothing changes unless you do. Fear will whisper, "You're not ready. You'll fail." Doubt will say, "This is for other people, not you." But let me tell you, every crypto millionaire started scared, unsure, with a small stake and a big dream. As Nelson Mandela said, it always seems impossible until it's done. Your first step is simple. Open a crypto account on an exchange like Coinbase or Binance today. Start with $50 if $2,500 feels too big. Learn one coin's story this week. Take action, because freedom isn't given, it's taken. If this video lit a fire in you, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's keep this journey going. Drop a comment. What's your dream? A new home? A world trip? Tell me, and let's make it happen. I'm in your corner, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's build that future, one step at a time.